Today we shall learn about food and health. In the end of the video, you will be able to learn to recognize the presence of the 5 major nutrients in food and what is meant by balanced diet. Children, we know that food is very much important in our life, in everybody's life. The condition of your health depends upon the type of food we eat. Food is important for all living beings. It gives us energy to do work and to perform various activities. It also helps us to grow and stay healthy. Food can be eaten in the solid or liquid form. Nutrients. Children, when your mother cooks food, she adds some spices while cooking the vegetables. When the food is ready, its taste is very much delicious because of adding the spices. But the food contains special substances and they are called as nutrients. And nutrients, it provide nourishment to our body. Different types of food have different amounts of nutrients. Means the nutrient which you may get in vegetable, the same nutrient you may not get in the roti. Means different type of food, it has different amounts of nutrient. Good nutrition help us to grow and fight against diseases. The nutrients present in different food items, they are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, and we all require these nutrients according to the need of our body. Suppose a small child, a kid, it needs less nutrients as compared to the younger child or the child who is elder than him. Let us learn about it. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates gives us energy to perform our daily work, and that's why they are called energy giving nutrients, because they gives quick and instant energy to the body. Which are the examples of it? Starch and sugar are the examples of carbohydrates. Which are the examples of carbohydrates? Cereals such as rice, wheat and maize contain carbohydrates. The fruits like bananas, honey, fruit juice and potatoes also contain carbohydrates. Do everybody needs the same amount of carbohydrates? No. The children, they do activities such as studying, playing, so their body need higher amount, means more amount of carbohydrates as compared to the older people. And people such as farmers, laborers, they do lots of physical work and that's why they need more carbohydrates. Fats. Fats are also energy giving nutrients like carbohydrates. They gives us more energy than carbohydrates. Fat keeps our body warm. Fats keep the skin moist and prevent the skin from aging. What happens with the fat which is extra in our body? Extra fat is stored in the body for future use. This stored fat is used when the body does not get sufficient amount of food. How does your parents do fast? When your mother keeps fast, that time they do not eat much food. They just eat few snacks or bananas like fruit, isn't it? So how do they have energy to do the work all the day? This is the reason, because that extra fat which is stored in the body use this fat when the body doesn't get the food, and that's why the people can do fast without eating also. Oil and butter are good sources of fat. Which are the other sources of fats? Almonds, cashews and groundnuts also contain good amount of fat. Do you know that we get fat from the seafood also? Some of the seafood such as salmon, fish and sardines also contain fat. Proteins. Carbohydrates and fats are called as energy giving nutrients. Protein is called as body building nutrient because proteins help us to grow. Do you know that our hair is also made up of protein? The special substance in the blood is hemoglobin. What is the function of hemoglobin? Hemoglobin carries oxygen to all parts of the body, and hemoglobin itself is a protein. Proteins repair the damaged parts of our body. While playing, when you get the scratches on your hands or legs, after few days you will see the scratch is not there. How does this happen? Because the proteins, it helps to repair the damaged parts of the body and the new skin cells are developed. Then which are the food items which are rich in proteins? Milk, cheese, eggs, pulses, peas, soybean, meat and fish contains plenty of proteins. Children, what do you think? Who needs more protein? A child or an adult? Children, carbohydrates and fats are energy giving nutrients. Protein is body building nutrients. And vitamins, these are protective nutrients. Vitamins help our body to fight against the diseases. Vitamins keep our body healthy. Our body needs very less amount of vitamins as compared to carbohydrates, fats and proteins. If it is in less amount, then also it is okay. Then which are the types of vitamins? Vitamins A, B complex, C, D, E and K. These are some important vitamins which is needed or required by our body. And these all the vitamins are very much important for us. If we do not get any one of these vitamins in proper quantity or amount, then our body may suffer from different diseases. We all get these vitamins from the food we eat. Vitamin D is the only vitamin that is not obtained from food, but our body makes it in the presence of sunlight. That's why it is advised to sit early in the morning in the sunlight so that our body could get vitamin D. And that's why vitamin D is also called the sunshine vitamin. From where do we get these vitamins? We get vitamins from fruits, vegetables, milk and cereals. Minerals. Like vitamins, minerals are also important for keeping our body healthy. Where do we get these minerals? In fresh vegetables, fruits, fish, eggs, meat, milk. These are rich sources of minerals. Which are the minerals that our body needs? Calcium, iron, potassium. These are few examples of minerals that our body needs. Where do we find calcium? Calcium is the important mineral that makes our bones and teeth strong. We get it the dairy products such as cheese and curd. Iron is a mineral needed by our body. It helps in making blood. Iron is present in green leafy vegetables such as spinach and cabbage, and in fruits such as apples and bananas. Potassium and sodium, these are also as important as iron and calcium. Water. Water is not any nutrient, but water is very much important. Water is used to cook the food. We drink water, isn't it? To stay healthy, our body also needs sufficient amount of water. Why water is so much important? Water helps us to digest the food we eat and remove the waste from the body. It helps the body absorb the nutrients properly. Children, do you know that up to 60% of the human adult body it is water only? Some water is lost from the body every day in the form of sweat, and to replenish that water means when our body loses the water as a sweat, we have to recover the percentage of water. So we should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water in a day. Roughage. Roughage is obtained from the plant food we eat. We cannot digest it. If we cannot digest it, why is it important in our food? See children, when we eat the food, all the food that we eat, it doesn't get digested by the body. So it should be removed from the body. The roughage helps the body to get rid of the undigested food. And we get roughage from leafy vegetables, salads, cereals and fresh fruits. Milk. Children, do you love to drink milk? Milk is very much important in our food. Milk itself is a complete food. It is a good source of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals as well as water. And this is the reason that a newborn baby are given only milk for several months. Milk also makes the teeth strong. Infants means the babies, and younger children need to drink milk in adequate quantity for complete nutrition. The food that we eat every day, it is called our diet. What is a diet? The food that we eat every day is called our diet. But whatever diet we eat, it doesn't consist all the nutrients in a proper quantity, and that's why we should eat the balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet contains all the nutrients such as carbohydrates, fat, proteins, vitamins, minerals and roughage in correct amounts. What is balanced diet? A diet that contains all the nutrients in the right amount is called a balanced diet. It is the source of energy and also responsible for growth and development. Children, in this video we have learnt that food gives us energy to do work and to perform various activities. Food contains 5 nutrients. Fats and carbohydrates gives us energy, and that's why they are known as energy giving nutrients. Proteins help us to grow and are called as body building nutrients. Vitamins and minerals help our body to fight diseases. Water helps us to digest the food and remove waste from the body. A balanced diet is a diet that contains all the nutrients in the right amount. Thank you children. Have a great time ahead. Stay happy, healthy, eat diet food. Thank you.